Freedom. Is it about taking charge of your destiny and living your life on your terms? Or is it more about that feeling of exploring the unknown, leaving the routine behind, and being open to everything that life has to offer? If your freedom lies in golden expanses, blue depths across green vistas, or under emerald canopies, or in the more intimate moments of exploration, discovery, warmth, joy, and friendship, here is a place where you can get lost in the direction you want. With multiple benefits and privileges, perfect for today's digital nomad, ranging from extended visa to easy online application, picturesque work environments, and unique cultural experiences. A myriad of lodging options, robust technological infrastructure with public access points, practically everywhere you go, to fill your life with adventure, to have stories to tell, to be enriched by beauty and diversity, to pursue passions, dreams, and ambitions, to have that complete work-travel lifestyle. Be free on our island Sri Lanka, a continent of experiences.